Hey guys, so I came to fly the drone, but I lost it. It just lost control. I tried to put the emergency stop button, but it just wasn't doing it. Like, it just ended up flying like to the left and higher, and it just took its own life at that point. Like, it made its own life and it ran away. I'm gonna show you guys where I lost it, unfortunately. We're flying it around here and it just started going up and then to the left. It just kept going, and I don't know if I lost signal or the battery, but it got lost somewhere around here in the bottom of the mountain, or I don't know if it went farther. But I had battery on it. Like, I can't explain like why I lost it. So I was able to get a video, like 2 videos on it before I lost the drone. Gonna play them right now after this, and so you guys could see the videos. So guys, I don't recommend flying the drone where there's mountains, or if you guys want to get some scenery like this, because again, it did lose control. It wasn't windy. I charged it and everything, and it still went its own way. A little bit disappointed, but it's not a professional drone. It's like a beginner drone, like if you guys want to be flying it at the park. So I would recommend flying the drone like somewhere like at a soccer field if you guys are gonna fly it. I'm not sure why I lost control of it. Again, I did use the emergency stop. It wasn't far from me, and I still used the emergency stop, so it would stop, but it just kept going like up, and then just went to the left, and yeah, I lost it. But just thought I'd be honest with you guys, because I was a little bit disappointed.